I, Musinguzi Moses Francis Swear.
Abatura ebabwambira ha mukoro ogwo kurahizibwa kwa bakansara aba Central Division aha chai cha Boma omu rubuga Footpoto kandi bakansara 28 nibo barahizibwa.
I, Wachaka Mary Kenyana, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by the law established. So help me God.
Ba councillors okurwana runda bebembezi this time okwatira hamu amageza agundu kubahanagaha ngo hatabaho rwayerora ngunyondo mukoto rundi nyondo mutayito
abebembezi ababiro batakukwataniza nito abashubuzi tunihira abantu okubayizire bajja kwataniza nito abashubuzi mulingoki zinu ebiragiro bakureta rundi sorry bateireho bayine kubanza kwija bakatumanyisa nkita abashubuzi tukakwataniza hamwe ku rugo musoro ngo bankora guta rundi
abatura nabagirango ecyabebembezi obutakwatagana kimazireho obwire kandi bashobora kwekiteganiseho ebyo buhereza
itwe nka bebembezi tusangire ngo kugoboramu muno munensinga ntono kugoboramu abakazi kukehere kuteito habwake habokuba intervention yaba leaders kurora ngo abakazi babugobora programs ezi na ba youth inteito kusigikirangera bakurwana rwana abandi mbegondeza
tuzire ntororo bwebembezi obwenyimo buturaho abantu nkaito abarike bitakugobora munekiriya habwe nsonga ngo abembezi bano kumara kurahera mu ofisi zabo ekiro cyo kubanza batandikira hentaro batandika kwerwanisa
abatura bayorekaho ebibarukwenda bebembezi babo okutandikiraho kora hati obaheza kurahizibwa
yaka ekyo kubanza no kubanza nimbanza kubagambira bene kutandikira hakuyonza orubuga rwayitwa abo kwa Footpoto kabemanyirwe kurugakara ngo obukyo buyonzo tuli nambemu so na Central Division Council obweriyo neiza kandi ngo mutima go rubuga rwayitu
Strength of local revenue mobilization, prioritize maintenance of infrastructure, improve fiscal planning, address of staffing gaps, improve condition of the city authorities, and continue enforcing our town order and environment protection.
kandi Joram Batamanya ayarahizibwa nka meya wa Central Division oworubugo rwa Footpoto yaraganisa kwatanisa n'abantu hamwe no kurwanisa oburubwenguzi.
And today I want to assure the people of Central Division that your mayor's office shall never become a center of intimidation, corruption, or oppression. It shall become a people's office, open, transparent, accountable, and committed to justice.
Omukoro gwo kurahiza ba kansara ba Central Division kwayitabwamo abebembezi abebyo kwerinda abanyadini hamwe n'abatura. Amakuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki.